Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically disable or turn off the low battery notification on your iPhone. As you can see on the bottom of my screen, I have three options, and you are going to select the automation section. Then you are going to select the create personal automation. Then you're going to find battery level, and you're going to make it into 20% here. Then you are going to select next, and here you are going to select add action. Type in low battery or set low power mode, and you're going to select that. Once you are done, you are going to select next, and you're going to press not done. You don't need to ask, so select don't ask, and then you're going to press done, so that whenever the battery level is at 20%, it doesn't send a notification, and it's going to automatically set your battery to low power mode. And that's the shortcut you will need to stop the notification from going off when you have 20% of battery left. I know that is annoying, especially when you record stuff on TikTok and there is going to be like a notification that says 20% left or 10% left, and it will stop your video. So hopefully after watching this video, there won't be any more notification notifying you when your battery is running low, so that whenever you record videos, it won't be paused again. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is also like near the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.